Introduce highlight features and quick overview of AVAPOW Jump Starter 1500A Peak Current Jumper Cables Kit for Car. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Newly upgraded Jump Starter. With the newly upgraded design, the startup performance of AVAPOW A07 is more powerful and stable. This battery starter can easily jump start up to 7 liters gasoline and 5.5 liters diesel engine, suitable for all 12-volt car, truck, motorcycle, boat, RV, or tractor ATVs, UTVs, lawnmowers, snowmobiles and more. Super safe jumper cable, with 8 safe protection systems, no need to worry about incorrect connections or sparks. Rugged and water-resistant enclosure rated at IP65 makes this portable battery jump starter can operate safely in any weather. Portable car power pack. This car battery charger jump starter is also a car power pack with 12,800 mAh high capacity. This battery booster jump starter pack equipped with USB quick charging output ports 5V/3 amp, 9V/2 amp, 12V/1.5 amp. It can save your 50% time when you charge your cell phones, tablets, Kindles or digital cameras. Built-in 21 bright bulbs, up to 400 lumen with 21 super bright bulbs. This car jumper can provide 3 modes of LED light. Ultra bright light can help you start the car more conveniently at night. Strobe and SOS mode can act as a lifeguard in emergency situations. It can stand by up to 9+ months. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.